Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's teeeferh here. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. I was a bit skeptical about posting this video, but I figured someone might just find it helpful. It's just a video on how to get odor smell away from your couch. So first of all, I'm taking my water spray bottle, but this wasn't doing justice, so I switched to another bottle. This is just like to dampen the couch, so that any product you're going to put on is going to soak in. Okay, y'all, I'm going to be speaking with so many makeup terminologies. So yeah, this is baking soda. I'm applying that over the couch. Like, I use a spice container for this because this had like holes, so I did not have to apply it all over because it's baking soda, and baking soda has, I think, sodium, so it's going to absorb. I just feel it absorbs like the smell. I don't know how it works, but excuse you, do your investigation. But yeah, and I don't think this ruins the chair or the couch or whatever, so yeah, I think this will just work best. So from the end result of this whole process here, this can be used with carpet or other fabric cotton, I don't know, whatever you think you have in the house that has that smell you don't like. So I'm just using a wet rag to kind of dust off or wipe off extra baking soda. And basically, baking soda is a salt containing sodium carbon. In other words, it's going to have this retaining, or I don't know if you guys understand me, but it's kind of hold things in, preserve things like salt normally, but I don't know, carbon, sodium, whatever chemistry students do, just to make it have a better effect. It's advisable that after you've cleaned, you just leave it for like as long as you can. The longer you leave it, the better it would be, because it's going to like holding all that smell. I don't know if you guys understand. It's like taking in, it's absorbing. Yes, exactly, it's absorbing it in. So it's going to absorb it in before you then decide to vacuum it or dust it off. In case you don't have a vacuum cleaner, just dust it off, but if you do, you can just vacuum it. I don't know whatever works for you, but definitely the vacuum is not going to get rid of everything, so it's just advisable that afterwards you go over it with a wet rag again. Just ensure that the visible soda, it's gone, and yeah, then we'll move to the next step. This whole cleaning process is because of Coco the dog. Yes, if you have pets, I feel you would even need this, just to get rid of that smell that I don't like. After I cleaned to a certain level and I left it for a long while, I'm going to take some alcohol. Yeah, this will not spoil your chair, just like a spraying alcohol over it, and probably this is like a little disinfectant and also a preservative, probably to retain the sodium that's already on the chair. So then I'm using an odor neutralizer spray. So if you have a fabric spray, then you can use that just to freshen up. It's everything. A wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to someone that might find it helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye.